Hello there, my name is Anna Morgan Thomas and I would like to welcome you to this Management Research Methods course and its first section, Introduction. Before we embark on learning, I would like to briefly introduce you to the course and talk a little bit about its aims and objectives, content and recommended reading. Let me start by saying that research methods are about choices, and doing PhD research is about making multiple methodological choices that pertain to the issues of data collection and data analysis. And choices have consequences, and this course will introduce you not only to the landscape of choices, but also the possibilities and consequences of those possibilities. In fact, thinking about the aims and objectives of this course, I like to think about three metaphors. The first one is about methodological terrain, the range of various possibilities and differences between them. The intention here is to give you all a general understanding of the method landscape in management and the rationale that underlines and drives the differences and changes in that landscape. This landscape includes a general overview of the major approaches to data collection, analysis and quality assessment. The second aspect of research methods training concerns the consequences of choices. There are possibilities, but there are also dead ends and blind methodological alleys. So the second metaphor I would like to invoke when thinking about this course is that of avoiding traps, avoiding mistakes, and not getting yourself into dead ends. Finally, in terms of the aims of this course, as you go through this course, you develop skills as its producer, but also as a consumer. The course will prepare you to become a critical reader of empirical research, and to this end, the third metaphor that I would like to invoke is that of a treasure chest. The course, particularly its online version, includes multiple links to various resources that will be useful as you become proficient in carrying out and consuming research in management. So in general, our purpose here is to develop applied knowledge and research skills concerning a broad range of research methods and techniques in management. The course aims to introduce students to the key research choices concerning research questions, designs and methods, and the analytical procedures, and highlight consequences of those choices. The course offers a critical introduction to the epistemological and ontological dimensions of management research and develops applied research skills in a range of data collection, analysis and evaluation methods. The course is applied, and that applied focus has two manifestations. One, that we are keen to clearly link the content with your PhD project, and throughout this course we will use the outline of your proposal. The second facet of the applied concern concerns your development as management researcher. We will use both the example articles and some classic texts to provide high degree of relevancy between this course and your needs as a developing management scholar. In deciding what the course will not cover, I am making certain assumptions. For example, I am assuming that the issues related to the literature review and the question of formulating research questions have been addressed in the masterclass. I am also assuming that masterclass largely provided an overview of the project and ethical requirements and an introduction to academic writing. For these reasons, the focus here is on the latter part of this picture, which concerns broader methodological questions, starting with philosophies of management and going through designs, finishing on data collection and analysis. In fact, the course is structured around 10 online sessions and 5 face-to-face workshops, and these include principles of management, quantitative and qualitative research designs that we'll go through, starting from data collection and finishing on data analysis. A final health warning here. The terrain of research methods is ever moving and hotly debated. Hotly debated because the views of what knowledge is and what we are trying to achieve here as management scholars are highly differentiated and contrasting. The debate is also vigorous because we largely disagree on what the key terms, vocabulary, and definitions are. And you can easily get the flavor of those blurred lines by looking at different methodology textbooks where terms such as research design, strategies, methods, methodology may be used in quite different meanings. In the course, I am cautiously referring to 3 such textbooks, currently favoring the first one, Easterby and Smith. All 3 are basic introductions to management research methods, and Easterby and Smith is probably less detailed and more basic, but also more rounded than the others. By contrast, Briman and Bell textbook comes largely from sociological tradition, and for that reason it's more suitable to HRE and OB types of research than marketing and ops. Saunders Lewis and Thornhill, my friend swears by it. I personally don't like it very much. I particularly don't like how they define things. So what you will see in this course is Anna Morgan Thomas' interpretation of various things. I will leave you with that comment, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next session where we will start to unpack the key vocabulary. See you then. Bye.